Building a home gym on a budget. Building a home gym doesn't have to break the bank. Let's explore how you can create a budget-friendly home gym. Point 1. Assess your space. Start by assessing the available space in your home. Identify areas like a spare room, garage, or even a corner of a room for your home gym setup. Point 2. Set your goals. Define your fitness goals and prioritize the equipment you'll need. Focus on essential equipment that aligns with your fitness objectives. Point 3. Look for secondhand options. Consider buying used equipment from online marketplaces or local classifieds. You can find great deals on treadmills, weights, and other gym essentials. Point 4. DIY equipment. Get creative and explore DIY options. Use household items like water bottles as weights, or create your own resistance bands using old tights or fabric. Point 5. Utilize bodyweight exercises. Remember, your own body weight is an excellent tool for exercise. Incorporate bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, planks, and lunges into your routine. Point 6. Multi-purpose equipment. Opt for multi-purpose equipment that can target different muscle groups. Items like resistance bands, stability balls, and adjustable dumbbells can provide versatility. Point 7. Start small and upgrade. Gradually start with the essentials and gradually expand your home gym as your budget allows. Focus on quality over quantity, investing in durable equipment. By assessing your space, setting goals, exploring secondhand options, utilizing DIY equipment, incorporating bodyweight exercises, opting for multi-purpose equipment, and upgrading gradually, you can build a budget-friendly home gym that suits your fitness needs.